Rune magic, the power of sound, speech, and symbol. Symbols have always been part of magical systems throughout the world. They could be thought of as a tool for communicating visually, rather than verbally, with the universe. Symbols help us express complex ideas in relatively simple forms that work on the invisible planes of reality to manifest our desires. In Germanic lore, runic symbols were used for a wide range of magical purposes, even before they came to be a part of a written script. However, once the runes were incorporated into a writing system, they became even more magically potent. This is because the Germanic peoples placed great value on the power of the spoken word. Speaking a thought out loud was to make the thought real in a way that could never be reversed. Careless speech could therefore have serious consequences, no matter how unintentional. This is still true today, of course, but in modern times we can often negate the impact of our words by apologizing or clarifying our meaning. In the past, once a word or phrase was uttered, it remained part of the world no matter what. Because the runes provided a way for words to be communicated over time and distance in a previously non-literate society, they were incredibly powerful indeed. Now the magical power of symbol was fused with the power of speech, which is also intertwined with the power of sound, in the form of magical vibrations created within the body. Today, rune workers often speak, chant, or sing the names of the runes as part of their magical practice.